You know what? I wasn't really going to show you this part, but I know how you like to see it, that I'm not setting you up for something that I've already planned out on doing. Okay, I have not dug this yet. I know there's one line right there, so you know this could be 2 or 3 inches, or maybe a little bit more under here somewhere. I guess I should kind of follow this first and see where it comes out at, huh? Because I'm not sure where that line is under here. Boy, there's another rock there. Okay, let me see what I can do. My mat here. See, these are already dying because there's no water to them. We're going to fix that once and for all. Just be careful as you go. The last thing I want to do is puncture the new line, the existing line way down there. Boy, where is it? I guess that's okay, because if I just follow that, it could be closer than I thought over to where I needed it anyways, right? Okay. Just keep clawing myself a line here. You able to see that? Let me get this readjusted here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. I got you on the other side of the wall while I'm working on this side of the wall. Ooh, I told you to be careful and I almost whacked it myself. Okay. Looks like I might be getting close. And they'll generally put your lines, 4 or 5 inches down or so in the ground. You know, I've seen some people, they almost run it on top, and then they'll put their ground cover, their bark and stuff right over it, as a thought. I've seen it that way before too. Boy, looks like it's kind of circling back over this way. With my luck, it's going to be right underneath this rock here. Okay. Come on. There it goes. It just kind of looped around, didn't it? It looks like I was in the general area to begin with. Oh, is that it? No, I'm not sure. Nope. Wow. Back over here. Once you start working with your sprinklers, you'll begin to figure out your entire sprinkler system, and if you got to repair it or add into it later. I've just never done it here, and so I'm just taking an educated guess as to where that pipe is. Isn't that funny? How it looped around like that? Why didn't they just come out of there and go up? Wow. Jeez. There, it's still going over here. Okay. Well, I'm going to keep digging. Gotta be able to get to it soon. I think, it could still be back that direction. I'll keep digging, be right back to you. Just a little as you go. Try to dig alongside it. Try not to go across your pipe. Just be careful as you go. You'll get it. Okay, change of game plan. it looks like it's going to go right up under there. Okay, I'm not quite sure where it goes from there, but I can tap into it. I can find it over there, because remember, my project's going to be over in this direction and right down in here. Okay, so I don't really have to tap in underneath this tree, down on my hands and knees, hold my mouth just right to get the line poked in there. I could work right out here and find it, and I think that's what I'm going to do. Hey, a wise man changes his mind, a fool never does. That's my pop's saying forever, and it makes sense sometimes. Okay, I think I'm going to find a line right in here. So I'm going to dig over here, see if I can't find it, and then make a decision. If I want to tap here and go that way, or over here and go up that way. I know the line looks like it's coming in right in here. Okay. Move your bark over first before you start digging. Okay, I see it's probably coming up right in here, but it could go this direction. So in here somewhere I should be able to find it. Yeah. Right in here. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. It shouldn't be much deeper than this. I wouldn't have thought. I thought I could pick it up right there. And I see these here, but the main pipe looks like it's here, but it could be running this direction, but I'm kind of miffed as to where it went. It's just, I guess I could dig next to this here, right here. Trying to locate the line first, then I can kind of decide what to do here. That's just a root there. I can follow those down and see how far down I gotta go, I guess. Boy. See, it was coming out right here. It could be looped down, and it looks like it. Oh, look at that. Here's the. It was just looped like that. I thought there was two pipes going down there. Okay, so it's not going to be right there, is it? There's actually a little kink in that. You're going to have to do a little digging to find it. We'll find her. Looks like it's right in there, so I think if I dig a little bit further, right in here, if you want, you could go down where you see it last. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It's not that deep at all. You see it right here? And there it is. And it just keeps going this way. Well, that was only under a few inches right there. I think, because I could tap in here and go that way, but my project is kind of over off this way, so I'm gonna go a little bit more this direction. Maybe I can get it right in through there. Now that I see the pipe, I can just keep digging in line with it. I'll make sure you can see that, where I'm at. Yeah, you can see that. I was even contemplating whether or not to make this video. There's someone out there, yeah, you, if you appreciate the fact that I'm doing this and that I can teach you how to do this, let me know. I'd like to know that. Okay. Okay. I think I should get you closer. Let's get you in there a little bit closer.